This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix knocking sound on iPhone calls. So during a call, if you're facing these clicking or buzzing sounds issue, follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. First solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and then check the issue. The second solution is clear your iPhone speaker. Use a soft brush or tissues to gently clean your iPhone speaker and then check the issue. The third solution is turn off noise cancellation. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on accessibility, scroll down and tap on audio visual, and here disable noise cancellation and make sure the balance at the middle, then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Open your iPhone settings and tap on General. Scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your knocking sound on iPhone calls. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.